Welcome to our video on common septic tank problems.
In this video, we will discuss various issues that can occur with septic tanks and provide troubleshooting tips and solutions. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional in the septic industry, this video will help you understand and address common septic tank problems. One common problem with septic tanks is the presence of foul odors and backups in sinks, toilets, or drains. These issues can be caused by a clogged or damaged septic tank, a full or overflowing tank, or a malfunctioning septic system. If you notice any unusual odors or backups, it's important to address them promptly to prevent further damage.
Another common issue faced by many homeowners is slow draining of sinks, showers, or toilets.
This can be caused by a blockage in the pipes leading from the house to the septic tank, a full or clogged septic tank, or a failing drain field. If you're experiencing slow draining, it's essential to identify the underlying cause and take appropriate measures to prevent further problems. Septic tank overflow is a serious problem that can lead to sewage backups and contamination of the surrounding area. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including a clogged septic tank, excessive water usage, or a malfunctioning drain field. If you notice signs of septic tank overflow, such as wet areas in your yard or foul odors, immediate action is necessary to prevent further damage. A failing drain field can result in wastewater pooling on the surface, strong odors, or lush vegetation growth. This problem can be caused by a variety of factors, including a clogged or damaged drain field, excessive water usage, or inadequate maintenance.
If you suspect drain field failure, it's important to take swift action to prevent further damage to your septic system.
In this video, we have discussed several common septic tank problems and provided troubleshooting tips and solutions. Remember, regular maintenance and proper care are essential to keep your septic system in good working condition. If you're facing any of these issues or need professional assistance, don't hesitate to contact a qualified septic tank service provider.